she's like
wow.
pretty.
And my mom asked me. Is it beautiful when you put it on?
Yeah, that's for Halloween. There is.
Emma, here, there's a card. Emma, there's a card.
Maddie was upset we didn't have a card, so Maddie had to write her out a card really fast. So, I just, the little ones, they just don't really care about cards.
But sometimes cards have money in them.
That's true.
That's
As you get older, cards are very important.
Okay, don't
Gift
open.
cards and money.
Listen.
That's right.
That's a Wilson kid right there.
Happy birthday.
A Wilson kid. Sometimes cards have money in
I'm
them.
a hippie. From
Like,
back
okay.
then, so.
Read the card. Now get to business here. Get to the fun part. Emma.
Wow.
Wait.
Daddy going uphill.
What is this?
Okay, I'm not allowed to tell jokes.
Ballerina Barbie. She twirls.
Wow.
Hey, Emma. Yay.
I'm done with Bubba's now.
Well, but she said she wants to open it now.
Okay, I use this one.
Is that one from you, Jacob?
No, that one's from
Which one's from you? That's from Mommy and Dad.
Hello Kitty one, right?
Or this one's from you?
I don't know. What are you doing? This is ridiculous. What are you
I'm just putting this in to get it up.
I look like an idiot going to school because I'm always reusing the bags to carry stuff. And it goes from the
Yeah, I keep them.
It goes
I'm
from
just-
the coloring.
And I keep this too. I've got a whole bag.
I'm
She
going to do
folds it
this
up.
one.
Actually,
Nope. I tossed it.
Emma, there's
I
more.
can't deal with it. But I have a box of
I'll
bags.
do it. Wow.
Cool, Emma.
That's from Mommy and Daddy.
Okay.
Who's that? All the presents.
Baby alive.
That's
So-
huge.
A baby loud. My baby.
How's it? How's it, baby Lilac?
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Aw.
And Bubba's next. Is
That was
hers?
like speedy present opening, man. We're in like warp speed here.
This is what Christmas morning is like. It's like, and then they toss it, and then afterwards they're like, oh, I got that? You know, they're running around.
Wow.
How did Bubba know? He wasn't with us. I just know.
The red bird told him.
No, the red bird.
No, you're okay.
We went to meet at Red Robin on Friday night, and she's like, how did they know it was my birthday? And she said, the red bird must have told them.
Cute.